Good morning and welcome back to Poppy's Corner. Today we're going to be working on our gas logs. I lit the pilot this year, first sign of cold weather. The remote will turn the logs on and off, but the thermostat does not work. So you have to watch the temperature and turn it off manually. I called the nice people at SkyTech who make the receiver and the remote and did a little troubleshooting. They let me know that I had a bad remote, which it is 15 years old, so that's understandable. He offered to sell me one. Just the remote was somewhere around $140. And he was nice enough to let me know that you could look around and find them cheaper. So I went to Amazon. I bought the remote and the receiver for $109. It came packaged up nicely with directions, and we're going to attempt to change it out. So the first thing you'd like is your manual that came with your gas logs, because it's got a nice picture on here of how to put them back in once you take them out. I'm only going to remove the two on the right side to give me access. There's two wires that plug in, and it says in the instructions it doesn't matter which side you plug them in, so we're going to give it a try. I have a little lantern down here just to help out, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And that's on there pretty snug. Kind of hard to get to. And it's just a little spade connector. So I'll get a pair of pliers and I'll be right back. Try to get those. Okay, it looks like I should be able to get a hold of that with these needle nose. So we're going to give it a try. Once they're all there is to removing it, we'll set it to the side. And you'll notice in the package, we have the new receiver tied up neatly. We'll hook it in place. So the instructions say, it doesn't matter which way you hook the wires, as long as you hook the two wires up. We're going to put one wire at the bottom. Maybe. One appears to be on there all the way. And we'll go for the second one. We'll take our needle nose pliers again. Okay, that looks like the hard part's out of the way. We're gonna set our logs back in place. So they're good to go. And this device runs on AA batteries, which they sent us a bag full of batteries. How nice. Negative side towards the spring. We'll replace the cover. And this is set to remote. So the next thing is we'll open the battery compartment. This takes two AAAs. Put that in. Put that in. Now, it's in the off position. So we want to push the learn button. And then we'll go to mode. And it beeped. And they came on. So now we'll try the thermostat mode. And it's going straight to off. So we're going to bring the temperature up. It says 67 in the room. We're going to go up to about 70, 72. And we'll see if it comes on. And lo and behold, they work like they're supposed to. So we'll bring the thermostat back down, put it on 65, and they go off. Perfect replacement part. This came from a company called Skytech. This particular model is a Sky 3301. It's available at Amazon a lot cheaper than if you buy it from the Skytech people themselves. And if you look in the description on my video, you'll see a link to this product, and they have several others just like it. So if you run into the same issue, if this will come on the on position, but when you switch it to thermostat it goes off, then you probably need a new remote and a new receiver. Not bad. 15-year-old gas logs. First time I've had problems with them. I'd say it's a pretty good lifetime for an electronic product. If you like the video, find it informative, hit the like button, subscribe to us, and more to come on our YouTube channel. And you can also find us on the internet at poppyscorner.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.